we've just created an ISO. So we want to boot it up. We do Super F7, we have Carli 8, templates, we clone it and give it a name Carli 8. It's much easier than always create a new one. Just make a template that you can clone. Carli 8. Optical drive, choose the disk file. So one level up in Carli 8, we have an out folder with Carli that we like to mount and boot. And off we go. Of course, wrong screen, this screen please. Like this. And we're booting already. Simple desktop display manager. Did you see it? SDDM. Plasma made by KDE. Now we have a system, a live system of course, but everything that you have selected, in this case the KDE application something, is all installed. All the applications, all the games are all installed, right? Lots of things. How do we install it? We have not done an automatic pop-up from Calamares or anything like it, so it's install system. Let's see if Calamares boots up. Oh yeah, we haven't made lots of changes in Calamares as well, so I would get rid of all these things. And it's still a work in progress. It did not find that I'm living in Belgium, which means that the Plasma server at this point in time is out. So maintenance and all that. So you just click where you live, and that's cool. And then of course, most important for me is having my Azerty. Next, always my advice, just one operating system. Don't make it yourself so hard. Swap, no swap, depending on your system. Next, I believe we had a difficulty in passwords. So this would be my password and it would say it's too short. So I need to do it difficulty now. Fails dictionary. Oh my God. I think I used this password then after it. Fine. So we did not change anything in the way Calamares is going to check if a password is difficult or not. So in ArcoLinux we say it can be very easy password. We want to give the users the possibility to say one, for example. I mean, just a simple password. But here the setting is still standards from Calamares. So we need to, you see it here, mixture of letters, numbers, punctuations, etc. At least 8 characters long. All right. So cool. It's all a choice. And we did explain how to edit Calamares, to have an installer, to have Chromium extra. Don't think Chromium is installed. Of course, if you're making an ISO and Chromium is already on the ISO, you don't need to put it in here, right? So yes, I would like to have Chromium installed and then install. And hopefully everything works. Bad unsquash. There we go. So now we have the difficulty of the name. Remember that we've changed VM Linux to VM Linux-Linux, right? So the Calamares needs to be changed, that we copy paste the correct thing over. Okay, so we close. And that's our to-do job. So we need to dig into Calamares, and if we're digging into Calamares, we better make a new update as well, making sure that our kernel gets updated. Maybe you can have already a look what we're gonna do in here. Dolphin root, where are you? Root. So in etc there is Calamares now, and in Calamares we have modules. Let me think. We have modules, and Where did it go wrong? He wants to copy over files. So I don't know where it went wrong. So then I go to root, which I can't, probably. Let's see. Come on, open up. Root. Why am I still here? We go to root. Voila, couldn't open it. Control T. CD root, not possible either, so we become root. No idea. On ArcoLinux I know what to do. Alright, sudo su works. CD root ls. Okay, ll. Damn it. And then we go into the cache. ls cd calamares ls, and we have a session log here. I was thinking there's another place we can find a session log, I think. Anyway, this is a session log, and I can open the session log with something. What's it called again? Kate, help me. All right, unfixable security vulnerabilities, blah, blah, blah. Do sudo, let's see. No. Nano session log. Maybe, I don't know, just maybe. We'll see something in here. What's going wrong? Finish shutdown. Can be anywhere, so it's not always in the very last lines. Can be at the top, and then everything continues, of course. Maybe I can show you something, maybe not. Skipping non-emergency, so that's here somewhere then. Skipping non-emergency, here it is. So this line is where we get stuck. Warning, Python job, the source file system run arch ISO boot manager does not exist. Because, can we see that? Can we analyze that? Dolphin, Carli, okay, and then, okay, like this. Where was the text again? It's a lot of gibberish, but you need to find the lines you need to know. So run arch ISO, arch ISO boot, so this one, boot, no. And then this one. Voila. So I just wanted to point out that we've changed the VM Linux to VM Linux dash Linux, or yeah, dash it is. So yeah, I want to do something that's not possible. The question is, where in Calamares should we fix that? But that's next for the next video. All right.